Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever worked on a project where deadlines kept slipping, budgets quietly crossed limits, and nobody could clearly explain what was really going on? If yes, you're not alone. This confusion happens even in smart teams with capable project managers. And the missing piece is usually not effort, it's structure. In today's video, I'll explain what a PMO really is, why it matters, and how it quietly transforms chaos into control. By the end, you'll see why every growing organization needs one. What exactly is a PMO? And why do successful companies swear by it? A PMO stands for Project Management Office. But it's not just a team or a title. Think of PMO as the system that helps projects succeed consistently, not occasionally. It brings order when projects start multiplying and complexity increases. Growing companies don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because growth happens faster than governance. Imagine this scenario. Projects are running over budget. Deadlines are missed again and again. Teams are confused about priorities. And leadership keeps asking one painful question. Where is the money actually going? This is not because people are careless. It happens when everyone is working hard, but in different directions. This kind of chaos feels normal until it starts hurting results. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Without proper governance, smart teams still fail. Everyone works in their own way. There's no common process, no central visibility, no clear accountability. The result is not collaboration, it's confusion. Projects don't fail loudly. They fail slowly through small gaps that nobody owns. Here's the idea. PMO means Project Management Office. But the easiest way to understand it is this. A PMO is like the traffic police of your projects. It doesn't drive the car for you, but it sets rules, monitors movement, and prevents collisions. PMO ensures projects move smoothly, safely, and in the right direction. Imagine building a house without coordination. The plumber arrives whenever he wants. The electrician uses a different wiring plan. The painter starts before the walls are ready. Nobody talks to each other. Now imagine the same house with a site supervisor. Clear schedule, quality checks, daily updates. That site supervisor is your PMO. PMO doesn't do the work. It makes sure the work fits together. On this slide, notice the contrast. Without PMO, projects get delayed. Budgets overrun. Teams are confused. Finger-pointing becomes normal. Leadership stays in the dark. With PMO, delivery becomes predictable. Costs are controlled. Priorities are clear. Accountability exists. And leaders see real-time status. That's the power of structure. Here's what a PMO actually does day to day. It standardizes processes so teams don't reinvent the wheel. It tracks progress through dashboards and reports. It ensures governance through reviews and quality checks. It supports project managers with tools and guidance. And it gives leadership a portfolio-level view. Think of PMO as the backbone that keeps everything aligned. Not all PMOs are the same. A supportive PMO is like a helpful senior colleague. It provides templates and advice, but teams choose how to use them. A controlling PMO acts like an auditor. Processes are mandatory and compliance is checked. A directive PMO directly manages projects. Project managers report into the PMO itself. The right type depends on your organization's maturity. From a leadership lens, PMO is a game changer. Executives get portfolio visibility. Risks are highlighted early, not after damage. Investments are tracked with clarity. Projects align with business goals. Decisions are based on data, not gut feeling. PMO turns leadership questions into leadership confidence. Now let's talk about project managers. PMO gives ready-made templates, so you don't start from scratch. It shares best practices from past successes and failures. It provides tools and training to grow your skills. It supports escalations when stakeholders get tough. PMO doesn't restrict PMs. It strengthens them. PMO impact goes beyond leadership and PMs. Teams get clarity and better work-life balance. Customers get consistent, on-time delivery. Organizations see higher success rates and profitability. When everyone knows their role, work becomes smoother for all. Here's a real-life impact example. Before PMO, 15 projects were running. Most were over budget. Success rate was low, leadership was frustrated. After PMO, the same 15 projects improved dramatically. Budgets were controlled. Success rates increased, and crores were saved. Governance plus visibility equals results. Let's pause and lock this in. PMO is about governance, not bureaucracy. PMO benefits everyone, not just leadership. And PMO transforms results, not just report. Smart companies don't just hire talent, they enable talent. In the next videos, we'll go deeper. You'll learn how PMOs save crores using real ROI logic, which PMO metrics actually matter, and how to set up your first PMO step by step. This channel is built to make PMO practical, not theoretical. If this video helped you understand PMO clearly, like this video, so it reaches more professionals like you. Subscribe to PMO Champion for real-world PMO practices, career growth tips, and ready-to-use templates. Drop a comment below and tell me. Are you working in an organization with PMO or without PMO? And don't forget to download the ready-to-use PMO templates from PMOchampion.com. I'll see you in the next video.